Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about effective speaking, and on today's lesson we will learn about choosing a topic. So today we will focus on 4 things, which are definition of topic, the importance of choosing the right topic, type on choosing a topic, and do's and don'ts. We will also have example of scenario and 2 learning activity. Before we proceed, the material that we need in this class is to have a strong internet connection and all ears in the class. Don't forget to get refreshed before the class starts.
What is topic? According to Merriam-Webster, topic can be defined as the subject of a discourse or of a section of a discourse. Is it important? It is super important and we can't stress it enough. But the topic itself, it is enough to gather the listener's attention to hear what we have to say. Steps on choosing a topic. Number 1. Brainstorm. Sit down, think, and make a decision based on the area of content that you want to talk about. Number 2. Research. Collect data and make your research thoroughly on your idea and content to get a clear picture. Number 3. List all ideas. Make a list of potential topics you have in mind and choose the best. What you should do in choosing a topic. The top 3 do's are: know your target audience well. Number 2. Make sure your topic is manageable. And last but not least, make it interesting. Now, what you shouldn't do in choosing a topic. First of all, do not choose irrelevant topics. Number 2, avoid unfamiliar topic. And lastly, do not, I repeat, do not choose sensitive topic.
This is an example of a scenario. Sarah wants to participate in public speaking competition. Hence, the first step she needs to do is follow the step of choosing the topic. Then she realized the topic needs to be niche, thus she do the do's and don'ts. The first step is brainstorming. The solution is, what she needs to do is sit down, think, and make a decision based on the area of content that she wants to talk about. The next step is research. The solution is, Sarah needs to collect data and make research thoroughly on her ideas and content to get a clear picture of a topic. Aha! Don't forget to consider all elements for do's and don'ts. Solution is, Sarah needs to make a list of potential topics she has in mind and choose the best.
Should you have any questions, you can directly submit it in UiTM U Future platforms or the link here.